A few months ago, I realized I was paying for software that I barely used. Photo editing, PDF tools, background removal, and other simple tasks were slowly adding up and costing me hundreds of dollars every year. Then I started searching for free alternatives. And honestly, I was shocked by what I found. Some of these free websites are so powerful that most people would never guess they're completely free. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that can replace expensive software and help you save money without sacrificing quality. And trust me, the last website on this list is something almost nobody talks about, but once you see it, you'll probably start using it the very same day. Let's start with a website that can save you hundreds of dollars if you've ever wanted to use Photoshop. It's called Photopea. And the best part is that you don't need to download or install anything. It works directly inside your web browser. Imagine someone sends you a Photoshop PSD file, but you don't have Photoshop installed. Normally, you'd be stuck. But with Photopea, you can open that same file in seconds, edit the text, remove or replace the background, adjust colors, add new images, create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or even simple logos. It supports layers, advanced editing tools, and many of the features people use every day. Unless you're a full-time professional designer working on highly complex projects, Photopea can do almost everything most users need completely free. That's why millions of people use it instead of paying for expensive editing software. Imagine you've taken the perfect photo, but there's one problem. A stranger is standing in the background, there's a trash bin ruining the view, or an electric wire is cutting across the picture. Most people think they need Photoshop to fix it, but they don't. That's where Cleanup.pictures comes in. Just upload your image, use the brush tool to paint over the object you want to remove, and within a few seconds it's gone. No complicated editing, no design experience, and no expensive software. I've seen people use it to clean up travel photos, improve product pictures for online stores, create cleaner YouTube thumbnails, and even fix old family photos. It's one of those websites that looks unbelievably simple, but once you try it, you'll keep coming back because it saves so much editing time. The next website is one you'll probably end up using almost every week. It's called TinyWow, and instead of doing just one thing, it gives you dozens of free tools in one place. Let's say you need to merge PDF files, convert a PDF into Word, compress large documents, resize images, remove backgrounds, convert videos, or even generate AI writing. Normally, you'd have to visit 5 or 6 different websites or pay for separate software. TinyWow brings all of those tools together on a single website, and most of them are completely free to use. That's why it's perfect for students, office workers, freelancers, and anyone who works with digital files regularly. Instead of wasting time searching for different online tools every day, you can simply bookmark TinyWow and solve almost any file-related problem in just a few clicks. If you've ever had to explain the same process again and again, this website is going to save you a lot of time. It's called Scribe, and it automatically creates step-by-step guides with screenshots while you work. Imagine you're showing someone how to use a website, fill out a form, or complete a task on your computer. Instead of taking dozens of screenshots and writing every instruction manually, Scribe records your actions and builds a professional guide for you within minutes. It's incredibly useful for businesses, customer support teams, freelancers, and anyone who creates tutorials or training documents. Once you use it for the first time, you'll realize how much time you've been wasting creating instructions manually. Have you ever downloaded a logo or image from the internet, but it looked blurry the moment you tried to make it bigger? That's because most images lose quality when you resize them. This is where Vectorizer AI becomes incredibly useful. Just upload a low-quality image, and within seconds it converts it into a high-quality vector file that stays sharp at any size. Whether you're printing business cards, designing t-shirts, creating banners, or making professional logos, this website can save you both time and money. Instead of paying someone to recreate your artwork from scratch, you can often get an impressive result with just a few clicks. It's one of those websites that most people discover by accident, but once they do, they keep using it for years because it solves a very common problem in an incredibly simple way.